$5, $50, $500. Let's see how they compare.
Just salt and pepper so we can actually taste the steak.
See the crust? Oh yeah. $5 steak's done. $50 steak. Now for the $500 steak. Kind of looks like all fat. It looks like alien meat and it melts at the touch of the finger.
Salt, pepper.
Normally I'd cook this in a pan, but for the sake of the experiment, we're using the grill. A5 Wagyu grease fire going. Whoops. 555. Which one you picking? That beautiful ribeye cap. Dude, $5 steak, that's pretty legit. Tender as hell. Honestly, for $5, that is an insane deal. Crust on this one's beautiful. Pull it out. You can tell it's dry aged because it's got a little less moisture than normal. Barely any dry aged flavor at all. Definitely not worth 45 more than the last steak. Kobe beef, slice of a tri-tip. I'm so excited for this. This is gonna be just meat and butter. So fatty. But my lord, is that flavor gonna be crazy. Watch how tender it is. Got a flavor that is uncomparable to really anything else. Worth $500 though? No. Best bang for your buck by far. Best steak by far. Biggest disappointment.